Welcome to the project Property Pulse. Let's start with the working architecture. Welcome to Property Pulse platform for smart property discovery and seamless collaboration. It all starts at the Property Pulse landing page, where users can explore the application and begin their journey. New users can quickly register, and returning users can log in securely, powered by JWT authentication. Once logged in, users can view detailed listings of properties available on the platform. They can also filter properties based on specific criteria to find the perfect match for their needs. Authenticated users can create new property listings, add all relevant details, and instantly make them live. If needed, users can update or delete their existing property listings with just a few clicks. Each property comes with the ability to be recommended. Users can recommend any property to others by simply using their email. All received recommendations are viewable in the dashboard, and users have the option to delete any if needed. In addition to recommending, users can add properties to their personal favorites list. They can later view or remove these favorites to manage their property preferences easily. This is the overall working for the Property Pulse. Let's move on for the working demo. Let's now take a closer look at the Property Pulse landing page. Here, you'll find a neatly organized list of properties all dynamically fetched from our MongoDB database. Each property card shows basic information, and you can click on any of them to view full details. On the left side of the screen, you'll notice powerful filtering options to refine your search. You can filter properties based on the type of building, who listed it, the state, or city. You can even narrow down results by price range, number of bedrooms or bathrooms, amenities, and whether it's listed for rent or for sale, based on the filtering it will fetch. Next, we have the login page, the secure gateway to Property Pulse. Here, users can log in using their registered email ID and password. If either the email or password is incorrect, access will be denied. Only when both credentials match correctly will the user be allowed into the platform to explore all the features. Once logged in, users can access their personalized favorites section. Here, they'll see a list of properties they've marked as favorites earlier. Users also have the flexibility to remove any property from favorites with a single click. And you can see the landing page. Users can continue to explore listings and add more properties to their favorites seamlessly. On the landing page, users can make use of advanced filter options to narrow down their property search based on preferences. By clicking on any property, users can view full details, including the type of building, amenities, pricing, and more. On the property detail page, users can take quick actions like sharing the listing, saving it to favorites, or even recommending it to others. To recommend, just enter the recipient's email address and optionally include a personalized message. Once sent, the recommendation is delivered to that user, making it easier to share great finds within your network. By clicking on My Listings, users can view all the properties they have listed on the platform. They have the option to update property details or delete listings also. Users can also add new properties by providing all the necessary information including location, price, amenities, and more. And the users can also sign out from the Property Pulse if they wanted to log out from Property Pulse, and later they can log in again by providing their credentials of mail ID and password. This is secured with the JWT authentication. On the Recommendations page, users can view all the properties that have been recommended to them by others. Each recommendation shows who sent it along with an optional message describing the property. Users can easily view these properties or remove any recommendation they no longer wish to keep. New users can easily register by entering their name, email, password, and confirming the password to create an account. And that's the overall working of Property Pulse, your complete solution for smart property management and discovery. Let's move on for the coding part. The backend of Property Pulse is developed using TypeScript, allowing type-safe and scalable API development. I use MongoDB Atlas as the primary database to store users, properties, favorites, and recommendations. For faster data access, Redis Cloud is integrated for caching frequently accessed recommendations and listings. The backend is structured with controllers for logic, route files for API endpoints, and Mongoose models for data structure. APIs cover key features like authentication, property management, favorites, and recommendations. Sensitive credentials and keys are securely stored in a .un file, maintaining configuration safety. On the front end, React with TypeScript is used to build a modular, dynamic, and type-safe user interface. Axios handles API calls smoothly, and the UI is styled using Tailwind CSS for a responsive, modern layout. Overall, Property Pulse is built with a complete full-stack architecture, ensuring both performance and maintainability. Thank you so much for watching the overview of Property Pulse.